So this is a 2019 Swift GTS 560. Just going to take you around the van and show you how it operates. Hookup procedure we go through in person when you're here on site, and we have got a separate video for this if you need any help with it at all. And we'll also talk you through the ATC that this particular van's got. Front locker. You've got your gas regulator at the top there. It is a changeover valve on this one, and that's something we'll discuss further in person. Gas bottle tie downs at the front you've got, and then your grey waste pipe is also in the front of the caravan. Side of the van, on the lower side, you've got your wind down leg and your Aldi heating vent. So that's your gas flue essentially on the side of the caravan. You then got your water pump connection here on the side. Water pump goes into the side of the van and clips into place. You've then got your battery locker on the side of the van also, with your mains power lead coming in. It connects to the mains power on site, and your battery box on the side of the van, or your battery tray, so should I say. Then got your fridge vents on the side of the van also. Your motor mover and wheel nuts, so we'll actually demonstrate the motor mover in person, and we'll tighten the wheel nuts so you can see they've been tightened correctly. Then got your toilet flush tank, which takes 3.5 litres of water and a cap full of the pink fluid. And then you've got your toilet cassette at the bottom, as you can see, removed by pulling out. Neck here is to empty the waste, and you put 1 litre of water in here and a cap full of the pink fluid for use. Then you've got your orange pressure release button on the back there. Come around to the back of the caravan. You've got your wind down legs on either side of the van. And then you've got your wheel and motor mover again. Just in front of the door, you've got your 230 outlet for power, so that's power out to your warning, for instance. And then you've got your storage locker on the side of the van for the pull-out telly stand, as you can see. Mains power point in there again, and an aerial connection also. In the locker at the front here, you've got storage locker. You've got your Stinger alarm system in there, and then you've got your pipe work, etc. for the Aldi heating, and your wiring for the van. You've got a barbecue gas point on the front of this van as well. Again, your wind down leg on this side at the front. Going inside the van, above the door, you've got your Aldi, your main control panel for the van, so you've got power on. You've got your water pump, your awning light for the outside of the van, your internal lighting, and your dimmers at the front, which you can adjust by just running through on the buttons just here. There we go. And you just run through on the buttons here to adjust. Go back then to your main control panel. You then got your power options. Then you've got your leisure battery, your solar panel, and your vehicle battery, telling you what power sources you've got there. Again, you go back to your home panel. Heating. You can control the temperature of the inside of the van through the control panel here, up and down, depending on where you want the heating to be. You've then got your manual mode, so you've got manual heating, or your timer mode, or through the app. You've got your power supply coming into the caravan, whether that be off, 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatts, or 3 kilowatts. You've also then got your option to run the heating on gas, and your water on gas. And then to operate your water heater, you've got normal, boost, off. Let's go through that again. Normal and boost for your heating and hot water. So you need to turn on the gas in here if you want to use it on gas, and you need to turn on the water as well on here if you wanted to operate the heating and hot water on gas. Then got your control panel above the door for the heating. On the opposite side, you've got the Aldi control panel. So the top one here is your room temperature. If you want to use it through here, you've got your water on and water boost. Your amount of power coming into the caravan, 1, 2 or 3 kilowatts. You don't need to use this. As long as that's turned on, this will operate the Aldi controls. And again, you've got your option to run gas at the bottom here. Now to fill the water system on this van, let's just take you back into that. I've got your settings for the caravan just here. Your times, etc. Your screen, your phone power, and etc. on here. Your radio, which again you can run DAB, etc. through here. Let's go to DAB, for instance. It'll find a station, hopefully. There we go. And that's your radio system in that. Got your options on your fridge. So again, you've got your setting, power level 1, 2 or 3, depending on where you want it to go. Frame heater on or off. and then the temperature of the fridge on this side, and at the bottom you've got your options to run it on auto, which will go to 240 mains. The option to run on gas, 12 volt when you tow in, or 230 volt AC. And then if you want to run the fridge off the front of the fridge, you've got power on. So the fridge is now on, and then you've got your option to run, you use the arrows here to run your different options. So you've got 12 volt supply from the car where you tow in to use the fridge as a cool box. At the moment you can see the warning light has come on to let me know it hasn't ignited. You've got your option to run on gas, which will self-ignite on gas, and you control the temperature on the button to the right here. And then if you want to go to mains power again, you can control the temperature on the button just to the side of it. Turn the fridge back off, press and hold the power button, and it will turn off. Underneath the seat at the front of the caravan, you've got your yellow drain down valve just there. When it's in the position it's in now, you'll be able to fill the water system. Once you've opened all the taps up on the hot side, that's when you can fill the water system. If that valve is open, so it's pointing upright, that would actually drain the water system down. So to fill it, as I said, you'll put it in the position it's in now. You'll come to each tap on the caravan and open it up on the hot side. Same with the shower in the shower itself and the sink in the washroom. You'd open them all up on the hot side. And then with your aqua roll connected on the outside, you come to the control panel above the door. Go back to your main screen, and then you can turn the water pump on through here. And you'll notice then water starts coming out of the taps. So you'll turn that off for now. Once you've got that warm, that's when you can start warming your water, etc. for the water heater itself. The cooker runs on gas and 240, the hob on top runs on 240 and gas. The 240 ring will only work when you're on a mains power supply. If you are on an off-grid site, for instance, you'd need to run it on 12 volt, on the gas only. And then your grill and oven again works off gas solely. On the oven itself, you've got your igniter at the front. In the bathroom, you've got your electric flush on the toilet, as you can see. And then you've got your grey waste flap below to open up the toilet cassette underneath. In the bedroom, the bed lifts up for extra storage underneath. And that's about everything on this particular van. Oh, the radiator in the bathrooms, watch your legs on that as you're walking past. They do get very hot when the heating is on. As I'm sure you can probably appreciate, so do be mindful of that. If you have any further questions on this particular caravan, please give us a call here at the Caravan Company and we'll do all we can to assist you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.